One of the easiest ways to help people connect with you online is by linking all of your other social media accounts to your YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add links of your Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram profiles directly to your YouTube channel. I'll also show you how to include those links in all of your video descriptions by default, so you don't have to repeat the process each time you upload. That way, whenever someone watches your video or visits your channel page, they can easily click and connect with you on your other platforms. If you want to keep getting more helpful tips like this, make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, let's dive in.
The first platform we're going to link is Instagram. Open your browser and log into your Instagram account through instagram.com. Once you've logged in, look at the bottom left corner and click on Profile. Now go to the top of your browser and copy the link you see in the address bar. This is your Instagram profile link. Highlight it, right-click, and select Copy. Next, open YouTube. From your YouTube homepage, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select View Your Channel. Then click on Customize Channel. Scroll down to where you see links and click on it. Now select Add Link. Type in the name of the platform, in this case, Instagram, and paste your profile link in the URL box. Once you're done, click Publish. Now, when you go back to your YouTube channel page, you'll see the Instagram icon right there. When someone clicks on it, it will take them directly to your Instagram profile, making it super easy for people to connect with you. Next, we're going to link TikTok. Head over to your browser again and log into your TikTok account through tiktok.com. On the TikTok homepage, click on your profile and copy the link just like we did with Instagram. Then go back to YouTube, click on Customize Channel. Scroll down to Add Link and type TikTok as the platform name. Paste your TikTok profile link and click Publish. If you return to your channel and refresh the page, you'll now see both TikTok and Instagram linked with their icons. The next platform is Facebook. Go to facebook.com, log in, and click on your profile. Copy the link from your browser. Now head back to YouTube again, click Add Link, type Facebook, paste the link, and press Publish. Once you refresh your YouTube channel, you'll see all three platforms, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, linked and ready. When someone clicks on any of them, they'll be taken straight to your profile. Now I'm going to show you how to add these links as default in your video descriptions, so you don't have to repeat the process every time. Go back to Customize Channel. Click on Settings, then click Upload Defaults. Scroll down to the description box. I'm going to remove what I already have there and then type Instagram. Now go back to Instagram, copy your profile link and paste it into the description. Give it a space and type Facebook. Copy your Facebook profile link again and paste it. Do the same for TikTok. Copy your TikTok profile link and paste it here. When you're done, click Save. Now I'll open one of my videos to show you how it works. I'm going back to my channel and playing one of my videos. I'll pause it, scroll down and click More. And you can see all three links right there. It's now very easy for viewers to click and connect with you on your other platforms. Clicking on Instagram takes them straight to my Instagram profile. TikTok takes them to my TikTok, and Facebook takes them right to my Facebook profile. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this tutorial helped you. And make sure to follow me on all of these platforms as well. Bye for now.